All right, good evening, everyone. Yeah, my name is Moses. We'll be treating data cleaning in today's class. So we're exposing ourselves to different techniques in data cleaning. Yeah. So first of all, we'll just start by trying to define the concept of data cleaning. What do we mean by data cleaning? So when we talk about data cleaning in most cases, data cleaning is the process of filtering, sorting, and analyzing your data set. And most I want to talk about data cleaning, just more or less like on a clean data that is characterized by inconsistency, duplicate value, ungood information, or improper text alignment. So this is why we have data cleaning techniques to properly align text and remove duplicate values while we focus on clarity and accuracy of the data. So we are going to be going into different techniques in working with our data cleaning. So at first, we are going to discuss extensively about removing duplicate value. So the first thing you have to do is to highlight the text when you want to remove duplicate value, like I have in my status. So you go to the ribbon and you click on data. So when you click on data, then you check directly underneath AI aid formula editor. You see remove duplicate value. So when you click on it, then it will show a window button for you. Then you click whether you want to remove the duplicate value or not, then you click OK. So by the time you click OK, it will affect like this, and you see that duplicate values have been removed, and you only have those only two values here in this cell and highlighted. So in most cases, removing duplicate value is very, very important in order to ensure that some data does not repeat itself twice. So when we talk about removing duplicate values, just have to go to your data ribbon, click on data set, and you see the option to remove duplicate value. All right. So the next one I'm going to be discussing again is what we call text to column. So text to column is more or less like when you have a data set that is meshed together. For instance, now I have Oloki Moses say these are just a name and a surname, just sample data set. I also have Bankole Oye. Yeah. I also have Oyeola. So now in this case, now I'm trying to split the surname from um, from the name. So what I do is that I highlight my text like I did earlier before. I highlight my text. Then I go to my data field. So when I went to data field, then I click on text to column. So when you click on text to column, it shows the Windows button for you. Then you click on delimited. So when you click on delimited, then you click on space. So when you click on delimited, then what it does is that it separates the data for you. Look at what has happened there. So now it has separates the name from the surname. So with the help of this, I'm able to split my words, my data. I'm able to separate the surname from the name. Yeah, that's that in that case. So right. So text to column is more or less like it is used to like separate. So I also have my if statement here. So I want to talk about the if statement. The if statement is mostly used for, like we stated earlier now, to group your data proper. Look here now. Have I have age here. So I said if um cell this cell is equals to less than or greater than 15, say youth, else say t. So more or less like I'm using it to group my sentence. Look at this, you can see the way the formula is showing here, telling me that. So anytime you want to use the if statement, just cultivate the habit of using equals to. So he said equals to if then equals to if. So when you see your equals to if, say less than 15, then you put the conditional statement at the front. You can see now, I say if open bracket, this particular cell I'm working with is greater than 15, good, else. Let's put a just show thing. So that implies that what I'm trying to use conditional statement. Look at the example I'm using in my slide. I said if function is equal to if a1 is less than 15, pass, else, fail. So most time when you're using an if statement, there has to be a threshold that comes after the statement. The threshold. So the threshold for the pass mark here is greater than 50. So that is for the if statement. So in this case now, so I also have my VLOOKUP also. Yeah, I have my VLOOKUP here. So when I have my data set, so you just say VLOOKUP is equals to lookup value, comma, the table array, column index, and was lookup rate. So look at this example here in my slide there. Equals to VLOOKUP. Equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. So my cell value is the existing cell. Maybe I want to look for the pass mark of Moses. So I'll just click on Moses, comma, the table where the information is being found, comma, and the index number of the column. So the index number of the column could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4. Anyway, the index column of my table here is 2, comma, then first means I want approximate, then when I click on OK, it just help me to automatically search for my data in my Excel worksheet here. So that is that on data cleaning and logical function to ensure efficiency in Excel. So just make sure that you master these tools to ensure accuracy in the decision making you want to use the data for. All right. So look at this assignment. I have some values. Say just do well to group this salary column using the if statement. So now you group your salary column. You could set the threshold of the salary column should be if this particular if the salary is less than 5,000, is less than 50,000, this person should be considered as manager. If the salary is greater than 50,000, the person should be considered as CEO. Just what I put it, a group using the group statement. So do this assignment and submit. So if you have any questions, you can always do it to reach out to me. Thank you and God bless you. We'll meet in our next class.